porchetta is the best way to cook pork. But did you know it works incredibly well for a flavorful duck? Anatra in porchetta. What this needs is a good rub and a tasty stuffing. And some of these ingredients are going to be used in both the rub and the stuffing. So that's my rub done. Time for some chestnuts. My onion and pancetta are browned up nicely. In with the fennel, garlic, herbs, and the chestnuts. A little heat from some dried chilies. Fennel seed. So I'm going to add my sausage meat filling by removing it out of the casing in a raw stage. Now the stuffing just needs to cool down. And the juices will start flowing. And this duck will love you forever if you were just to baste it every once in a while, just like you do with porchetta. Look at that. That is beautiful. A tender, juicy porchetta is a porchetta that has rested, allowing those juices to settle. Now, to carve this bird up. First, remove the leg. Oh, this is so tender. This is fall off the bone tender. A little breast meat. And I have to show you the rub under the skin. Look at that. Oh, that smells so good. Not forget a little stuffing. A little peppery arugula. Squeeze of lemon juice. A drizzle of pan juices. And it's ready to eat. I'm really getting that fennel, which I love so much with a good porchetta like this. Oh, so fragrant. savory and flavorful, but very, very moist. And look at that duck breast, just fall apart good. I guarantee you won't want to eat duck any other way. Duck porchetta is a tough act to follow.